What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at $1.25. Big bounce with the CPI up 5%. I think it's going to come back down, but we'll get into that. Seeing a market cap of 10.76 million, 24-hour volume 700 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Big, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full link tutorial or Bybit. This is where I do my investing and trading on these two exchanges. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Talking all things crypto, let's hop into Matic. So we saw a huge push in validating a potential wave 4. So what I'm looking at is that the ABC is complete. Let me grab my brush. Wave A, wave B, pull down in a wave C. To complete a W, wave W, now we've pushed up in a 3-wave move, in a wave Y, in a wave X, and we'll look to come down in a 5-wave move in a wave Y. That's what I think is the likely scenario for Matic, unless we can come all the way up and break these highs, and it would invalidate that. But as of right now, I do think we're going to go through a WXY, and it will bring Matic down to 84 to 99 cents. We'll have to see how it plays out. CPI was higher than expected, and I think this is just a bit of a fake pump to the upside to get the bulls excited before seeing continuation down. And as I mentioned yesterday, we pushed into heavy resistance with divergences, money flowing out. I think the higher likelihood is we do come down to that 90 cent to $1 range. Looking at the price of Ethereum, we spiked up into our wave 4 pullback zone. So we could be looking at a nice ABC correction into a wave 4. Still looking to come down in a wave 5 to complete the wave A, pull back in a wave B, and then come deeper in a wave C. As I still think the likely scenario is we're going to see a bounce, and then we are going to pull back to the bottom of this ascending triangle at about 1294. So far it looks like that could be playing out. Now if we do break 1578, which is the 50% retracement level, all I would look at is that wave A is already complete and you're pushing up in the wave B before coming down in the wave C. My predictions are that we are going to come down to this $1,200 range and find support along the ascending triangle before bouncing and seeing continuation to the upside, which will allow Matic to come down in between 84 and 99 cents, in my opinion. All right, gang, so that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. Check out my full length tutorials, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here for their own trades. As you can see, some of them killed it with the CPI. We went long. I also took a long on Bitcoin, which I already scooped up 50% of my gains. And Mahado all plays, it's all 10 USD per month, same price as a Netflix subscription. Burger at Burger King with some fries and a drink. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.